How do you upload a gallery video to Snapchat Spotlight? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Click on Spotlight at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is triangle option. Then, at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find plus button with a square shape. Click on it. Then at the bottom, click on Upload a Video. Your gallery will pop up. Select the video, then trim it as you want and press on tick mark beside it. After that, click on Preview. Edit as you want. If you're done, press on Send to at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then add a descriptions if you want. If not, press on Send, which is the arrow-like option at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will add it to your Spotlight. To check your Spotlight video, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. It will open your profile. Scroll down and you'll find Spotlight. Simply click on it and you'll be able to see your Spotlight video. This is how you upload a gallery video to Snapchat Spotlight. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.